Michael Weiner went off on you and got very personal about it.
Well, that's not the first time that's happened.
Most people know him as Michael Savage, but his real name is Weiner, you know.
Yeah, I've heard that he attacks me all the time.
The Weiner Nation.
You're pretty much used to that by now.
Yeah, but he got really crude. He called you a hag. He called you a sex change that's gone wrong. I mean, they're down and dirty, you know. He didn't need to go there.
Was that actually some of the more flattering things he said about you?
Yeah, I don't think any of that is new. I'm not very popular with people who don't sell as many books as I do.
That's all
kind of a consistent
It's
theme.
just bitter jealousy, Ann.
Right-wingers are always confused by this. I'll explain two things to ordinary patriotic Americans. Two things that I have a special insight into. One is, Mary Matlin, James Carville. That's totally confusing to a normal person, but they're political consultants. And if you live in and about or have worked in Washington, she's selling Pepsodent, he's selling Crest. It isn't that unusual at all. The other thing I will explain is it's also confusing to patriotic Americans when one right-winger starts attacking another right-winger. At least from the left, at least going along with the MSM, the only people who would hit the gas pedal faster if I were standing in front of the car than a liberal is a conservative writer.
Yeah, he said, I caught on to her early on. I had her when I was just a local in Sacramento or up that way. And
you know what? Let's not go over what Weiner said. I'm sure it was fascinating to his listeners.
Done that, bought the